yeah, we have an MD that can sort of take a hand in everything we do.
I spend an awful lot of time here and I love it. This isn't a job for me, this is absolutely, genuinely a passion for me.
You look after all of the documentation.
Said I want a job in travel.
It's a really nice size of company to work for.
Ticketing, invoicing.
Nobody wants a stroppy travel advisor on the phone.
And if I haven't been somewhere, then I know that the person next to me has.
With the cherry on the cake, we kind of make it happen, yes.
We do go to the places that we actually sell. We have first-hand knowledge of all the destinations.
It's really important that the people who sell, the people who put our product together, the people who market us, the people who look after our operations, it's incredibly important that they do know what they're talking about because they're speaking to the customers and they're speaking to the travel agents.
So I'm not the kind of girl that shops for clothes, I'm more shopping for holidays.
That is the hope, always, to travel as much as possible.
I studied travel at university and did all my studies on the Caribbean, so I left university and came here.
I've always been in travel since I left school at 17.
Yeah, what's the one thing you couldn't go on holiday without?
An open mind.
Havaianas.
Straighteners, I'd say, and a good book.
A good location is all that you need, to be honest.
Paddy diving certification card.
My hair straighteners.
Hairspray and my headscarf, it's a Caribbean thing.
Flip-flops and bikini.
The hair straighteners, obviously.
Hair straighteners.
What they seem to tell us and what they seem to like about us is the way we do it. They like the people that work here, the way we care about what we do, the way we're passionate, the way we're knowledgeable, and that is rare. It is rare in every walk of life, but they seem to respond to our way of doing things. So, yeah, that's how we're different, I think.